The integration between FortiSIEM and Veeam Backup and Replication enables centralized monitoring of backup operations, event logging, and security incidents within FortiSIEM. Veeam syslog events are ingested and parsed using the dedicated Veeam Backup syslog parser, allowing FortiSIEM to normalize and analyze data for compliance, anomaly detection, and operational visibility. I am currently logged into FortiSIEM. I am accessing the dedicated Veeam dashboard. By filtering for the last 24 hours, we gain immediate visibility into crucial metrics like events, backup status, malware host, and activity details. The ability to drill down into backup job status for an aggregate count is key. This seamless integration within FortiSIEM reduces backup issue mean time to detect from hours to minutes, contributing to a comprehensive view of the entire infrastructure. Next, FortiSIEM delivers out-of-the-box Veeam reports, accessible under Resources, Reports, Device, Server, and type Veeam. This helps in simplified compliance and improved incident response with actionable data-driven insights. Next, navigating to Rules section, typing Veeam. FortiSIEM's built-in Veeam rules extend the rule engine to trigger incidents on anomalous Veeam behaviors. This proactively detects ransomware targeting backups or operational failures, integrating with FortiSIEM's incident workflow for faster response. Thanks for watching.